On 23 July 2021, the Minister in charge of Security, Major General Jim Muhwezi, addressed the nation following a cabinet's decision that all vehicles and motorcycles should be installed with security tracking devices to enable them track their movements for security purposes. Recently, while addressing the nation, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni proposed the move emphasizing security master plan to combat rising urban criminality.
Why didn't the camera center alert all the patrol cars and even the UAVs? UAVs are these unmanned air vehicles. We have them. They can follow you anywhere once they are deployed. The criminals would then be on continuous viewing by all the camera centers if the policemen adopt my directives and rationality in the use of those cameras. So those cameras are there, but they are not fully used.
Minister Jim Muhwezi, however, said that tracking devices shall require every motorist and motorcyclist to have electronic number plates with an electronic signal on them to be incurred at the cost of every owner, which 10-year project is to be handled by a Russian company called Global Systems LLC.
I can assure you that there is no infringement on anybody's rights. It's not the intention of government. I've told you the intention of government, the interest of government is to guarantee security.
Following the decision, renowned lawyer Male Mabirizi filed an application before the Civil Division of High Court challenging this cabinet decision. According to Male Mabirizi, cabinet acted outside its mandate by violating Ugandan's rights to privacy without an act of parliament.
That limitation must be demonstrably justifiable in a free and democratic society. So you must have a standard that how does a democratic society live in the wake of crime? If people are being shot on the street, do democratic societies actually require tracking by everybody? You cannot say that you have made a decision that you have gotten a company which is going to supply the equipments and the system. How will I know that that those people tracking me will not share details with criminals? Because they may take over the system.
Male Mabirizi now wants a permanent injunction prohibiting any government official from implementing or acting on the strength of the cabinet's decision on grounds of being unconstitutional.
Just like they did when they wanted to intercept our telephone conversations. There's an act of parliament they did, and we are now sure that for me to be intercepted, legally there has to be a high court order. So the same thing has to happen.
Male Mabirizi also challenges the appointment of the permanent secretaries by the president, saying that the president failed to follow the constitution in exercising his power in appointing such people in these positions.
Because Article 174 is so clear that that appointment must be in accordance with the advice of the Public Service Commission. Now, Public Service Commission advises after interviews. So without interviews, you name out of Mwesi clerk to Parliament. Like advisor general duties, special duties, which was given to Abogo. Those are illegal positions. Directed that the schools, hospitals will be constructed by the army. Now, that's again illegal. It contravenes the PDA Act because we have a process, we have a procedure under which construction contracts are awarded.
The application, which is yet to be fixed for hearing, is filed against the Attorney General of Uganda and the Parliamentary Commission. Deborah Namamonde, Nantongo Rebecca, UBC News.